Realtors, want to sell with more confidence around construction and renovations? How does free lunch sound? And what about learning a thing or two along the way? Let's be honest, you're frequently the first person clients trust. When questions come up about renovations, permits, or bill potential, you need clear, confident answers, and that's where we come in. Join us for a free lunch and learn built specifically for real estate professionals. It'll be packed with practical tips, real-world insight, and bite-sized construction knowledge that will help you stand out. And what will you get from our time together besides some free food? How about some construction clarity? What's realistic, what's not, and what to watch for? Renovations that sell, where to spend, where to skip, and the ROI sweet spots. Project timelines, and how to set those expectations with buyers and sellers. Permit zoning and red flags, what to check before you list or buy. And then also some smart home features that buyers want. Easy upgrades that are going to impress. All of this is going to be explained in plain language, no contractor jargon, no fluff. We bring the lunch, just relax, eat, and leave with some real tools. You will win more listings and close with confidence. Who's behind it? Me. I'm an owner, a builder with hands-on trade experience. I'm local and I'm passionate about helping you succeed. We're not here to sell, we're here to support.